Just received this Bulova carriage clock for inspection. A client sent it in to be cleaned and oiled. Access door to the balance to adjust the rate. An 8-day clock made in Germany. Dial has some dirt of sorts just below the 5. Nice visible balance wheel on the bottom. Remove the movement from the case. Protect the dial. Remove the hands, dial. 2 dents on the bottom here. The metal is bent in slightly here on both sides. The back has some dried adhesive that has given away. Excess oil has pooled on the surface of the hour wheel. A large drop of oil on the front plate that doesn't belong. I'll check the bearing surface of the winding arbor to the rear plate for wear. Could use a bushing. Now to check the winding arbor to barrel fit for wear. Barrel needs to be bushed. It almost contacts the front plate. Barrel to second wheel fit up. A lot of added friction with this amount of wear. Second wheel. Center wheel. Fourth wheel. Fifth wheel. Escape wheel. There's pivot hole wear on both front and rear plates on this movement. Excess oil on the balance rim. This paper absorbs the excess oil. Oil between the coils of the hairspring will cause it to run fast. Excess oil between the pallet fork and the roller table. Should be no oil here. Excess end shake on the balance staff. This can be adjusted to correct. Excess oil has attracted a lot of dirt particles. Pinion leaves are full of oil. This movement is going to need more than a simple clean and oil. Time to contact the owner and see how they want to move forward on this Bulova carriage clock.